Kuya Ram, what do you love most about your dad? What's your Papa J?
He always helped me when I'm struggling through times and always helped me when I was a child with everything, and I love my dad so much.
That is for sure. He loves you so much. I was there when you were,
Oh, yeah,
not exactly when you were born, but I have witnessed that he loves you so much. Ate Maddie, you're next. What do you love most about Daddy Emil?
He takes care of me when I'm sick or I'm alone, and sometimes we're on the couch watching together and Mommy gets mad at us
Why?
because we're not doing anything.
But you enjoy that time because you are bonding with your daddy. Okay, that's so nice. Ate Sinta, you next. What do you love most about Daddy Harold?
What I love most about Daddy Harold is that we spend time together by using him as a punching bag. Me and Errol would and then he would cook us food and my favorite food, and he would also make me coffee with about like 5% of milk in there.
What else?
And then what I like about him is that he takes care of me, and at home he also helps me with the things that I need, like bringing my brother downstairs because he's wasting my perfume and my other stuff.
You love Daddy.
I love my dad.
Ate Lay, what do you love most about Daddy Emil?
I love how he's hardworking and how he always tries to take care of us. And how he shows us every day that how much he loves us.
Kuya Gavin, what do you love most about Daddy Jimmy? Papa.
His unconditional guidance and love always makes me happy. Even his best to become my role model. He always gives his best to guide me, and always, every time. And me, Zeki, and Mama love him so much.
What about you, Ate Nat? What do you love most about Papa Mac?
My daddy, my love, my help me, and my daddy and mommy, my shopping, the loading, passing me.
Why
are you so late? Me.
And does Papa, Daddy takes care of you always? Of course. And Mateo and Cassandra. Say, Daddy, I love you, Daddy.
I love you, daddy.
Ate Akira, we're making video. What do you love most about your daddy?
He takes care of me. He takes care of me and he loves me.
And then he looks after you also. Okay.
Hello.